Meditation? It's an Asian thing. I mean, after all, that's where the practice originated. But what about the West? What about the dozens of philosophers, theologians, priests, and nuns who wrote beautiful texts on the topic? Probably one of the most important to come out of the 15th century was written by a Spanish soldier turned saint, Ignatius of Loyola. His book was called Spiritual Practices, and the book, the life, the man, his visions caught the attention of C.G. Jung. In a recently published series of lectures, Jung turns his attention to Ignatius's very Western approach to meditation and how Ignatius entered into the meditative state. Ignatius recommends that we turn our thoughts to an imago corporeo, a physical image, and actually begin dialoguing with it. While this might seem a little strange, for Ignatius it was important to have this narrative, for the visions that he saw carried messages, blessings or warnings or temptations. Now, Jung considered that all of this came from within, and Ignatius was making use of a technique very common in analytical psychology called active imagination. Now, most of us can probably only remember fragments of our dreams, but through active imagination, we can tap into the wisdom of the collective unconscious and bring things forth into our self-awareness. The benefits of that would be greater creative expression, emotional healing, spiritual development, and overall just a greater sense of meaning and purpose in our lives. In any case, the book, Jung's views on Ignatius, on meditation, are well worth reading. Thanks for watching the video.